Hello, sir. How are you today?
Oh, yeah, I'm doing great. Yeah, well, I was running low on a couple things and, figure I better get some shopping done.
Were you able to find everything you needed today, sir?
Yeah, well, I was searching for a while to find those organic mung beans you have on sale, and I found them on aisle 3. I recently read how mung beans are a great source of antioxidants and rich in potassium and magnesium, and can even aid in digestion. So yeah, I have everything I need.
And will that be paper or plastic, sir?
Oh, toilet paper will be fine.